Hey guys, it's me, Hackstev. Welcome back to my tutorial series here. Today I'm just going to do a quick one on child actor components and how to edit them at runtime or before runtime. So the reason why I'm making this tutorial is because, again, I've seen online that it's kind of hard to find this one. There are people that have already kind of posted this solution, but it's kind of hard to find, and I ended up coming up with it myself. Because originally I thought it wasn't possible to do this, but it is, in fact, possible. So I will show you that today. So the first thing you might even ask is like, well, why would I want to use a child actor in the first place? Child actor component. And I'll give you a good example. So me, right here in my game, I have a post-process volume that changes the shaders of my game. So here it is without the shaders. You can see it looks quite different. With the shaders on, looks much different. Off, on, off, on. And the reason why I have this as a reusable blueprint actor is so I can just place it in any level I create, and it'll have all the post-processing settings already done for me. So the reason why this is a bit of a problem, if you don't know how to edit a child component, is because for environments, not every environment has the same level of lighting, and you have to edit that like in the post-process volume itself, which you can't normally access unless you have access to the variables, which normally you do. So like, for example, if I go here and I go to place post-process volume and I just place it in here, then you see all this stuff right here. I can change anything I want super easily, like this, right? But if I go and then if I made that a blueprint actor, which if you want to reuse it again, you have to, and if my computer will stop lagging for 5 minutes, it's because I haven't restarted it in like 30 days or something. I don't like restarting my PC. Yeah, it'll take some time here. Anyway, Jesus Christ. Okay. Anyway, and you can see here, even if I go to the one I have now, I only have these, which I put in, and I will show you how to put in. But even if you say put in a blueprint actor, and you try to click on it, as you can see here, you can't even access any of the details. So it's like, well, how do I then go and edit what I want if I make it a reusable blueprint actor? And it's pretty easy. So I'll show you right now. So the first thing you need to do is go to the construction script tab. It's right at the top, right here. What you need to do is you need to cast to whatever actor the child actor is a child of. So in my case, this post-process volume is a child of a post-process volume. Oh my god, who would have thought, right? So you just take this right here, and you can see this is a child actor component. Okay, you take this, you just type child actor, and you do get child actor. You would then cast to whatever it is. So if you don't know that, you can just see right here, type in child, and get all this crap off my screen. Holy crap. Right here, if you don't know what it is, the class is right here. And then from there, you can edit what you want. So in my case, I wanted to edit the brightness, because if you're inside, the brightness is different than if you're outside, sort of thing. But I really wanted everything else to be the same. So in my case, I just did the brightness, and I made it a variable. And if you click the little I, you can edit it before runtime. So it's that simple, really. And if you're wondering, yes, you can do as many as you want. You just have to go here. And on pin options, you can just check whatever ones you want. I think it's because there's so many variables for a post-process volume that they don't, by default, don't put them all on because it would take up the entire screen at least. So you have to choose which ones you want. Me personally, these are the only ones I modified, so it's like, you know. And you can see this work here. So like if I, for example, make the min brightness, actually max brightness, because it's a little misleading. The higher the number is, the darker it is. So a lower number is brighter. I don't know why they made it like that, but okay. So if I make it 1, for example, you see it's much brighter in here. I make it like 0, it's literally just white. So yeah. So you can see that it works just the same as if I placed it in the world. I can edit it before runtime and I can see how it looks. So yeah, and it's reusable. So you can just drop it in wherever you want, change the variables that you have here, and it'll change and be there at runtime. So I just wanted to make that quick little tutorial to make this solution a little easier to find. And I hope it helped you out. And I'll make another tutorial soonish, I think. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So hope this helped you, and bye.